Course recap and final thoughts. Throughout this course, we explored the fundamentals, advanced concepts, and real-world applications of VMware Cloud, covering topics essential for deploying, managing, and optimizing hybrid and multi-cloud environments. From understanding VMware Cloud infrastructure to troubleshooting common issues, this course provided a comprehensive guide for professionals looking to enhance cloud operations, improve security, and optimize costs. We began by introducing VMware Cloud, discussing its core components such as vSphere, NSX, vSAN, and Tanzu, and how they integrate to support modern cloud workloads. We explored hybrid and multi-cloud strategies, covering how VMware Cloud on AWS, Azure VMware Solution, Google Cloud VMware Engine, and IBM Cloud help enterprises extend their on-premises data centers into the cloud without re-architecting applications. Key focus areas included networking, security, workload mobility, disaster recovery, and automation. We examined best practices for hybrid cloud connectivity, workload placement, security policies, and compliance with regulatory frameworks such as PCI DSS, HIPAA, and GDPR. Additionally, we covered cost optimization techniques, including right-sizing resources, policy-driven automation, and leveraging AI-powered workload placement tools to reduce expenses while maximizing performance. We also explored real-world implementations across industries such as finance, healthcare, retail, and government, demonstrating how VMware Cloud enables digital transformation, AI-driven innovation, and business continuity. Troubleshooting common challenges such as network issues, performance bottlenecks, migration failures, and security vulnerabilities helped us develop proactive cloud management strategies. As you move forward, remember that VMware Cloud is a continuously evolving platform. Staying updated with new features, automation tools, and security enhancements will help ensure your cloud environment remains resilient, cost-effective, and scalable. Thank you for joining this course on Mastering VMware Cloud. We encourage you to apply these best practices in your cloud strategy, continue learning, and explore VMware's latest innovations. Let's continue building the future of cloud computing.